Hello and welcome to this episode of Talking Trim. I'm Jonathan Skinner and today we're looking at a set of fully trimmed front seats for the Triumph TR6. These are applicable to the very last version of the TR6 seats, so they're the ones, the cars with the chassis number CR or CF in them, sort of 1973 upwards. They're the ones that recline and they have these stalk detachable headrests on them. I've done a few videos on these, so please do refer to those on the YouTube channel, but I just thought I'd do a very quick one of these just because they're full leather, which I don't think I've done on other videos. I think the other videos refer to leather faced and vinyl versions, but these are full leather and they're in a lovely tan colour. This is actually what we call saddle tan, and it's our grained leather. Looks really nice. So we've actually sourced these seat frames. They're second-hand seat frames. A customer over in the US has had a full leather trim kit from us, trim panels, etc., and he wanted the seats, but his seat frames were pretty rotten, so we've actually sourced these seat frames for him, and then we've done every element of it. So we've obviously done the seat foams, diaphragms, webbings, covers, the foams obviously, and then we've fully trimmed them up, as you can see here. Yeah, won't go into too much detail, as obviously you can see the other videos online, but just to clarify, full leather means that every element of the seat is leather, including the surrounds here, the back here, the cushion base surrounds here. The only thing that's not is piping, which is leather cloth where available, so just bear that in mind. But yeah, as you can see, very nice finish. As with the leather seats that would have originally left the factory, the pleats are plain. It was only on the vinyl Ambla versions that they had that embossed pattern on them, which we can replicate. But as per one of my other videos, we can offer an embossing that mimics the original. It's by no means the exact same spec as the original, but it gives a little nod to the original by embossing that pattern on there. So see our other video for that, because some people do like that effect on there, but normally if Triumph did them from the factory, they would have been just plain pleats as per these ones here. But as you can see, really nice finish. Do like this colour. It's very popular over in the US as well. A lot of cars left with this version of tan, normally in vinyl Ambla, but yeah, we can obviously offer leather if you prefer. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts, and of course make any comments below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Cheers.